Good morning, traders. This is Anthony Borsellino, Manovermarket, and this is the morning call for Friday the 10th. All right, so once again, we rallied overnight. This time, Greece was on the forefront of that rally. Um, I really feel that as long as we keep rejecting this area down here, 34, 2034, even to 2036, I think it's technically sound to rally the market. We've tested that level a couple times and we keep rejecting it. Overnight, we'll keep rallying them back up. I think that is a big level of support. Let's take a look here at the research. Today we have a bull bear zone sitting at 2056 even. Our value area high 2062 quarter. The point of control 2051 even. Value area low 2046 quarter, and the pivot is 2049.58. We're currently trading above value, and the overnight mode was sitting at 2064 half, and S&P is currently up 25 on the day, on the overnight. Our sisters are sitting in a green mode, but all of them are just testing their center lines now. Also, the S&P CCI is teetering on the center line. So, we got to see what happens. Let me change the time frame here. Zoom us in. Alright, so our middle from yesterday and our bull bear zone, and our top of value are all sitting at this level here. I'm going to be pretty interested to see what happens if the market goes down to test to get back inside value, because we have, if I bring the profile back in, we have a nice long tail of single prints down here from 2053 even down to the Globex low today, which is 2044.75. Also, I see a little volume, some volume that needs to be filled at these levels here. You see these big long gray bars. I think we need to fill some volume in here before we make a move one way or another. On the top side, I have some singles sitting here, 2071 half up to 2073 quarter. So, I'm really looking to watch what happens here today. We could get a strong drive up off the open, but I think we're going to come down, maybe test value, and maybe go get those single prints below. But if not, excuse me, the market currently looks strong, and like I said, top side target the first target would be 2071. The next target would be 2073 quarter, and on the downside, my first target would be 2053 even, and then down to the Globex low. So we have to see what happens today as we go on. I'm thinking we could get a strong rally off the open with the buyers coming in, and maybe go test these singles up top. But I watch the mode here, 2064 half, and see what happens when they get down there, or if the mode moves up, to see how that holds support or resistance. So, just to reiterate, if the market gets back down, maybe test value. Let me pull this out here. Maybe test value in the middle from yesterday, and can get back inside. We could take a run and fill in those single prints below, right here. If not, we could get a strong move up off the open, and maybe test the single prints left in bracket T over here, and after those fill, settle off somewhere down here. So, follow us on Twitter. I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day, but we'll see what happens. Really, I'm going to keep an eye on the CCI today. That was a great indicator yesterday. As soon as that center line crossed, we came down and we hit those levels that we discussed yesterday, and then ended up breaking them a little bit. So, follow us. We'll keep you updated. Friday trade today. Light news. Let's see what we have here real fast. Janet Yellen's talking at 11, and then we have wholesale trade at 9. So keep an eye out for those. If you guys are not, I post the link to our blog on the website, on Twitter. So go check out our blog. Gives some great research. Gives all the value areas. some key resistance and support levels. And we also have our average rotation today is 16 ticks, 4 points. Go through here. One of our partners, Pat Tabbitt, does a great job in updating a nice little paragraph on what he thinks about the market. So go ahead and check that out for sure. We also include the news and like some other reference points. Some statistics and things like that. So please go check that out. And once again, follow us on Twitter. And good luck trading today. Keep those stops in place and make some dough. Have a great day, everybody.